There are ants are walking. They also have their frequency. It's just that I can only hear my own footsteps. I might not hear ants' footsteps, but it doesn't mean it's not exist. It doesn't mean that they are not exist. So the world is full of things that I might not see it. I mean, this universe, there are so many things that we might not see it, we might not perceive it with our five senses, but it doesn't mean that they are not exist. I can only hear my own. I mean, there is a range of frequency, sound frequency, light frequency. I can only hear, I don't know, like maybe how many percent, I don't even know, like maybe 1% of it. Maybe I can only hear 1% of the sound frequency with my own ears. I might only see 1% of the light frequency with my own eyes. But just because I cannot perceive the other range of light and sound, it doesn't make them absent. They still exist. Only I cannot perceive them. But some people